Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. This is a very random get ready with me, the makeup which I did for my best friend Sangeet. So let's start with the video now. So the first product which I'm going to use is the primer, which is my favorite by Maybelline. Already layered myself with the moisturizer, serum and everything. Primer as well because I have open pores. I'm very prone to acne on my forehead and on my cheeks as well, so that is why I am loading my skin with the primer. So next up is foundation, and the foundation which I'm going to use is by L'Oreal Infallible and the other one is Seasol. I always go with two foundations because I'm not satisfied with one shade, so that is why I like to mix the two shades, and I'm just going to mix them and I'm going to apply it with the foundation brush. So I'm just going to blend it with the beauty blender as well, so that if there is any excess foundation on my face, that can be picked up. Next up, I'm going to use this color corrector which is by NY Base. I'm going to apply it onto my face wherever I have pigmentation, where I have acne marks. Next up, I'm going to use my favorite concealer, and that is by Maybelline, which is Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to apply the concealer wherever I have pigmentation, wherever I have acne marks, or to the dark circles. So I'm just going to apply the concealer and blend it with the help of the brush. So I'm just going to set my face with the help of this setting powder, which is by Fauclair. Set my face and set my under eyes with the help of the beauty blender. Let me tell you, the beauty blender which I'm using is by Colorbar, and this is a very good beauty blender. Like whichever I have used in the past, this is the best till now. And I'm so sorry for the weird angles in between, because I had mirror in front of me, a gigantic mirror in front of me, and my phone was a little bit towards my right, a little bit of weird angles, so I'm sorry for that. So time to do brows. So for brows, always I have been using one product, and that is by Fauclair. So I don't have any other pencil to do my brows. So this is the product which I am using to fill in my brows and to give them a very natural shape. I don't like to overdo my eyebrows, so this is just a very natural shape. So next up is my new purchase by Sugar, which is their bronzer. I have purchased their three products, which was bronzer and two shades of blushes. So I'm just going to use the bronzer now, which is in the shade Top Topper, I think. So I don't know, for some reason the pigmentation was not showing exactly onto my face, so I had to layer it up with another bronzer, which was by Maybelline. So I don't know, I will try the bronzer again and I'll give you my reviews again. So next I'm going to use this Coral blush, which is again by Sugar. So I'm just going to give it a try for the very first time. And as you can see from my reaction, it is highly pigmented product. Pigmentation is superb, as you can see, like just with the one dip is all over my brush. I need to wipe it off and then I have to apply it onto my face again. I want to keep it very subtle. So next we are going to use my favorite eyeshadow palette, which is by Beauty Glazed. Starting off with the neutral brown kind of a color, I'm just going to apply it onto my lids first. So So this is a highly recommended palette by me if you want to like just go for one palette which has all the colors, neutral and the vibrant one. So you can just go ahead and buy this. And this is their 63 color eyeshadow palette, which includes matte, shimmer and the normal one. I'm going to go with the blue color because as you can see I am already wearing the blue shirt. So my outfit is like lemon yellow and the blue color, so that is why I'm just going to pop some blue eyeshadow onto my lids. So I just want to give a little bit of tint of yellow color onto my lid. So that is why I'm just going to apply a little bit of shimmer yellow eyeshadow. For my lower lash line, I'm going with the same blue color which I applied onto my lids. So next up I'm going to use this mascara and kajal from Faces Canada. This is again a very new purchase. I have not used it. I'm just going to try it for the very first time. I have tightened my upper waterline with the same kajal pencil. Going to use this Magnetic Eyes mascara by Faces. So it says that it is a volumizing mascara. So I won't lie, like I have used it for the very first time and it does give you a volume. It is a very good affordable mascara if you want to use it for a daily basis. Like you have to apply 2 to 3 coats to get that perfect volume. Otherwise it is a good affordable mascara, I would say. So time to use my makeup fixer, which is again by Makeup Revolution, because I have been using this makeup fixer in all my videos and trust me, this is the best makeup fixer which I have ever bought because my makeup does not moves, like it stays at the same place, it does not smudges or nothing happens. And the fun fact, I did not take my lipstick over there. I had to borrow the lipstick from the makeup artist, so I had to ask them. So that is why I did not shoot the full video over there because I obviously forgot to apply the lipstick. So I wanted my outfit to look like a little bit similar to what Kareena Kapoor wore in Good News. So this is the mix and match which I did. So this is the lehenga which I'm wearing, this shirt which was stitched. So do let me know in the comment section how you liked my outfit, how did you like my makeup, and let me know which next video should I do. So just drop me your suggestions whichever video I should do for future. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.